Hello children, today we are going to start with chapter 18, that is eating together. So in this chapter we will study about what we eat. So at least one meal with our family every day. So eating with the family is a time of bonding and sharing. So it brings family members close together one another. It is while eating together that we share our experience, thoughts and ideas with our family member. Wedding, festivals and birthday parties, there are few occasions on which people eat together. So here most of the people are known to one another and they're invited by the host for a meal. So eating together on the special occasion. So on special occasion, wedding, birthday parties, festival and picnic, large number of people gather. और जो occasion होते हैं, they are marked by the celebration and feasting. So special food is cooked on these occasion. So eating together in a community, when a large number of people सब एक साथ बैठते हैं और एक साथ खाना खाते हैं, उसे हम कम्युनिटी ईटिंग कहते हैं. जैसे आप गुरुद्वारास में जाएंगे, फूड इज प्रिपेयर्ड इन अ लार्ज क्वांटिटी and the people of different religion and the caste live over here. They are rich or poor. They together on the floor and they eat food. The food is prepared in a common kitchen and they are served free, जिसे हम लंगर कहते हैं. People of all religions sit together on the floor. Food is cooked and served by the volunteers. It is served on the plates which is made on dry leaves, जिसे हम patals कहते हैं. और यहाँ पे खाली वेजिटेरियन फूड ही सर्व्ड होता है. हॉस्टल की बात करें, many children study in hostel or boarding school and there they live together and they have different meals which is given at the fixed time. Midday meal, which is a program started by Government of India in which lunch is provided free of cost. And the main aim is to prevent classroom hunger in children and to encourage them to go to school. Midday meals are mostly served in government schools and mess, it is an men in the Indian armies force says eat in a common place mess. Families of the armed forces can also eat food in the mess and they spend their special time. Food, reason and occasion. So different food items are served in different occasion. People living in different region eat different kinds of food. जैसे नॉर्थ इंडिया में लोग गुजिया होली पर प्रिपेयर करते हैं. Muslims prepare सिवैयां and the people of Bengal eat sweets like sandesh and rasgulla. Rebdi, gajjak and groundnuts remind us of Lohri. Now, sweet rice and cooked in milk, which is prepared on Pongal in Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. Special cakes with fresh fruits and dry fruits are prepared on the Christmas. Right? So, in India, villages, people sometimes eat sitting in a row. जिसे हम पंगत meal कहते हैं. Right? So, this was all in this chapter. Let's do the exercise. So, first is take the correct option. Dash more meals are mostly served in government school. So midday meal. Only vegetarian food is served in a dash and bhandaras, langars. North India prepare gunjia on Holi. Families of dash can also eat food in mess and spend times. Kiski? Armed forces. Special cakes are prepared with the dry fruits on Christmas. Now dash is a rice. Dash rice is cooked in milk and is prepared on sweet rice. Muslims prepared sivaiyan on Eid. North Indian prepare gujia on Holi and dash on Teej, Dhevar. In langars, food is served on plate made on dry leaves called patal. Pattal. In dash, food is prepared in large quantity. Langar. Now, true false. Indian Army eats food in mash, it's true. Midday meal is program started by government, it's true. Plates made of dry leaves, it's called thalis. No, false. Pattals कहा जाता है. On Christmas, Christians make idli, false. Different food items are prepared on different occasions, it's true. Gurudwara, langar. Indian Armed Forces, mash. Muslims, sivai. Revdi and gajjak, lohri. Christmas cake. So now next is answer the following question. On which special occasion people cook sweet rice and milk? That is Pongal. What special food items do Muslims prepare on it? Sivaiyan. What is the aim of midday meal? To give free food to the children. Where do men in armed forces eat? In mess. लंगर क्या होता है? जब बहुत सारे लोग बैठ के एक जगह पंडाल में खाते हैं, उसे लंगर का. Right? So this was all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.